Welcome to the Wisconsin Energy Institute Bioenergy Demonstration Gardens. These gardens are small-scale replicas of landscape-level research plots associated with the Great Lakes Bioenergy Research Center, or GOBRC, which is funded by the United States Department of Energy and is based here at UW-Madison. The center was formed in 2007 to make contributions to the growing field of research in biofuels, emphasizing the use of fibrous, non-grain portions of plants for conversion into ethanol. Ethanol is a transportation fuel that is viable with current automobiles and can be mixed with petroleum-based fuels to reduce by up to 25% our dependency on fossil fuels for transportation. As it stands today, globally, corn and sugarcane are the most common plants used in ethanol production for fuel. Researchers here and in other parts of the country are looking at new technologies for biofuel production and are also studying how cropping systems can be arranged in ways that maintain healthy, productive ecosystems. Take a walk to the plot nearest the building. You will notice that all the plants in this plot are the same species, which is switchgrass, a prairie plant native to Wisconsin. Given the abundance of plant material in switchgrass fields and the transferability of traditional hay farming technology, monoculture switchgrass bioenergy cropping systems are one possibility under consideration. Compared to traditional monoculture fields like corn or soy, switchgrass fields also support some landscape-level biodiversity. Biodiversity is the subject of much of the research behind the next two garden plots. GOBRC researchers are interested in the role that insects and other wildlife play in maintaining critical ecosystem functions like nutrient cycling and pollination. For example, it is estimated that 1/3 of food crops are insect-pollinated. For this reason and many others, biodiversity is infinitely valuable to all life on Earth. Because sustainability is an overarching consideration for all of the research in GOBRC, it is important to develop strategies to produce new sources of energy that are environmentally protective while remaining economically feasible. Immediately to the right of the switchgrass plot is our low biodiversity plot that incorporates a few additional species of prairie flowers and grasses alongside switchgrass. Next to the low biodiversity plot is the high biodiversity plot that contains around 12 different native species. Monitoring insect activity and nutrient cycling in these different habitats helps determine what level of plant diversity optimizes bioenergy cropping systems. Take a few steps to our next featured plot and sign, the hybrid poplar grove. Wisconsin's northern climate and soils, as well as other parts of the Midwest, allow for the abundant growth of trees in areas not dominated by agriculture. Using hybrid poplar trees for biofuel production is another area of research in the GOBRC. Hybrid poplars grow quickly and produce a lot of biomass, making them an attractive source of material for fuel. This type of plant material, however, has proven to be challenging to convert into liquid fuels because of the tightly woven structure of the cell wall material that gives trees their upright, rigid qualities. New genetic technologies are emerging to overcome this obstacle. This concludes our audio tour. If you are interested in learning more about the work of the Great Lakes Bioenergy Research Center, please visit our website at www.gobrc.org.